Now we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy from this correction, and this is what we get. And even I give the update for those traders, they are in this trade from here. They should know at least whether they want to keep the trade or they want to take the profit, because now we are within this correction. Okay, and now we want to see how we have been looking for this chart. If we move to for daily chart, okay, based on daily chart, when the price was here, we mentioned that we expecting the deeper correction. Maybe it's better for me to move to forward chart. It will be more clear. Okay, when we were based on forward chart, when the price reached at this level, this range, we have been looking for this as a running flat. And when the price reached here, we mentioned that still we can expect the price to drop, because I point on this. This is what we get. And even I put the line here, still the price, I mentioned, the can test this line, which was here below this. Okay, now as we can see, we get the sharp move, the breakout. Now the question is whether this one can give us a correction for the continuation, or this one can drop and retest this one. Okay, but the only thing is we want to see, and we will be more interested if we get another buy opportunity from here, because already we have a one buy here. Okay, and if we get one more from here, we will look for, because if we see here after this drop, the price was within the correction, the first sharp move, we get the correction, then we see the continuation. Okay, and as you can see this one, how much, I mean, the price drop even near to this low, that means still we can expect this one to drop a bit more, but we are not expecting to break the low, because if the price break the low, then the entire structure will be different. Then at that time we will have this correction for next move down. Okay, that's why when we're looking at the correction here, it should be a correction in terms of the buy. That means if we get the different type of the correction similar to what I draw here, then we can expect one more down, because at that time we will have this flat 1 2 3. Still we can have this option as well. We need to be aware of this, but we are, in case the prices start to correct, give a down move. Okay, by the way, we are looking for buy within this correction. If we get the buy setup, we trade it. Again, we should be aware of the second option. Now we move to 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can get the trade. Okay, from now, if we want to look for buy, first of all, we need to have a trade setup, but right now we don't have it. And how we can look for this correction? The first option is we get the similar to what we have here. If we want to trade for this, the first sharp move flag, we take it. If we get, we take the trade. But when the price come to this level, we need to see whether there is a continuation or not. Okay, if there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we try to manage it. Okay, why? Because maybe we get the flat. The price can come here, drop one more before next move. If we get the flat, it can give us a better confirmation. All right, it depends what type of the flat. Even the first, I mean, even for the flat, it is not necessary the price come to take this one. The price can come a bit higher, then drop. Okay, based on the Elliott wave, we have a different type of the flat. Okay, now that's why if we get any buy setup from here, we take it. And as long as the price come to this level, we see whether there is a continuation or not. And this one is still, we can expect a drop quite a bit, even to the come to this range. That means this one can drop and come to where we have I mean, this correction. Okay, but we are not looking for the breakout of this, because if this one continue and drop, then we have to look at the structure differently, as what I explained. And how about if the price start to up move but really corrective? We cannot buy it. Even it can be a corrective until they take this high. Okay, and if we see the price is moving really corrective, we should know that the possibility for one more drop. Okay, that means we shouldn't buy when we see this move. The only time we can buy, we get the sharp move flag, then we take the trade. Okay, now we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is how deep this one can go. And if we move to 15 minutes, okay, we don't have anything, so we see whether we can get any buy setup from here or not. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart, and what we are more interested, we're going to be looking for buy. The only thing is we need to see how this correction can form. Okay, and as I explained, based on 4 hour and daily chart, we are expecting the breakout. The If we get the buy, we're expecting the price to break out, and for the continuation to break out this entire correction, which is we want the price to break this top. Okay, we cannot confirm right now. The only thing is we want to see how this correction can form and what type. What type of the trade setup we can get. Okay, and anyway, we just follow the chart, and if we get any trade or if I see any update, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.